Oh no, Ru. There are cats. There are cats, Ru. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are outnumbered, Ru. Remember, it's not just us humans who are living this world. We also live with animals. Like them cats. That's Mimi Amuni. That's Lola Esther's cats. Cat. There. You need to learn how to communicate with cats so they will not bite you. Okay? This is how to do it. This is how to communicate with cats. You pretend like you're slurping something here, Ru. Let the air pass through here. Like that. And then you use your palm like this. And do like that. Okay? I'll show you how to communicate with the cats. So they know that we are one of them too. They will not bite us. Look, Ru. Ru, look at Daddy. Oh, look. Look. We are now communicating with them, Ru. Look. Look, Ru. This is some dangerous stuff. Mommy, Tita Fe, Lola Fe, Lolo Alin, they all got bitten by cats. Look, Ru. You need to communicate with the cats so that it will not happen to you. Look. Ru. This is how to communicate with the cats. I keep on telling you. Look. Like this, Ru. Let the air pass through here. Do like that. With your palm. Like this. And make that cat sound. It's called cat language. Ru. O Catunese. It's called Catunese, son. It's a language of cats. Look. Oh, you see? They will leave us alone now. Because we know Catunese. That's the language of cats. Okay? Yes. So now we can pass by the cats because they know we are one of them, Ru.